Shenseea is giving away a special gift, and Shaneil Muir pays homage to a legendary female artist.
You see, I have a little song I like for sing because it remind me of, good times. I like sing it because it remind me of a singer-songwriter that I adore. It goes something like,
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, I always hear people compare Tanya Stephens and Shaniel Muir. I don't know exactly why. I don't know if you see the comparison as well, or if you believe the same thing, like, you know what I mean, them have the same flow or what. I don't know exactly what, you know what I mean. I think say maybe because them have a wide range and the both of them can sing like, a slack song and then a positive song or any kind of song as a matter of fact, you know what I mean, a two versatile artists. So me see the comparison there, so, but other than that, me not think them sound alike, me not think she flow like Tanya, me not think none of that, but people compare them and obviously she see the comparison and obviously she rate Tanya also. So she sing a Tanya Stephens song. Me not go tell you now which song yet, we have to stick around for see that, but she says she have one way her favorite, she love it and she sing it all the time. So me I go show you a which one. But before that, Shenseea have a special gift and me I go show you what Shenseea deal with. So me not go really tell you what Shenseea say. Me just make you watch the video and want to understand for yourself. Alright? So here goes. Take a look at this.
Guys, I completely forgot. I have something that I wanted to give away. I only have it available in small though. So if you know somebody will want this, just it's a nice shirt for you guys. Small. It's unisex too. I'm giving it away. So if you know somebody that don't like me, tag them. I'm not taking those stairs. Waiting, I'm waiting. And my baby. You have an elevator in your house. I got so many stories in my house. I'd have to tell you about it today. I got to tell you about these stories another day. Yeah. From climbing hills to climbing the stairs. And now we elevating, bitch.
So this is where Shenseea deal with. She have a small bad mind shirt and she's looking to give it away. So she look for a small bad mind person, I guess. You see me, just a little bit of bad mind in you. If you don't like her a little bit, you can get the shirt, I guess. Right? But people, let's move on and talk about Shaneil Muir and Tanya Stephens. So like I said, she sing one song, a Tanya Stephens song, one where she says she likes to sing all the time, and she says she adores Tanya Stephens as a singer-songwriter. You see me? I'm telling you about the comparison. I already miss the comparison all the time, especially on Facebook, you know what I mean? A lot of times I see people are compared to Tanya Stephens. And it's obvious that she's aware of it. You see what I say from what she say in this post. But, you know what I mean? She not make it get to her like it's a bad thing. It's actually a good thing because she rate Tanya Stephens. You see me? She say one of her favorite singer-songwriter, and she does have pay the respect by singing the song. She never said it that way, but me I say it. You see me? But people, the younger people, they might not know this, but you know what I mean? When you just know that Tanya Stephens is a legend, you know what I mean? Whole heap of big song. You see me? But here we are going now. This is the song that she sing, Boomwalk. So take a listen to this.
you see, I have a little song I like for sing because it remind me of, good times. I like sing it because it remind me of a singer-songwriter that I adore. It goes something like, it's not the way you walk, and it's not the way you talk, Jada, where you walk, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not your beat up car. You definitely ain't no movie star. And it's not the clothes you wear. And it's not your nappy hair. And it's not your gangster flex. Baby, it's all about the sex. But just love off your boom book. Love the way your arm a boom boom stuck. On the big booty, on the big stick. Till me turn to the when me boom flick. Love the long ding dong boom up. Love the way you walk you off this girl stop. Climbing out the cabin of the big truck. Have me a let off even though you're broke. Love the long ding dong. 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 He love the long ding dong. Love the long ding dong. Me love the long ding dong. Yo, my diva understand now why your wife a broke war. You might have love me, but to me is just a oak star. Me just a cut and go through, fling the kitty pan you, and if the clad them all you good luck star. Tired fear all of my friend them a stress pan. Why pick you when me can have the best man? But how them so sure I know the best one. When I me the lenta impress man. Give me the boom muck. Love the way you have me pum pum stop. Pan the big booty, pan the big stick. Till me turn to the when me boom flick. Love the long ding dong boom. Love the way you walk you off this girl stop. Climbing out the cabin of the big truck. Have me a let off even though you're broke. Love the long ding dong. Love the long ding dong. Yeah, I love the long ding dong. I love the long ding dong.
Yeah, people, so I want to think, and for the people them who don't really know Tanya Stevens' song and not hear this for the first time, I thought the younger people them still want to think, like, if you never know, could it pass for like a Shaneil Muir song? Would you think like a Shaneil Muir song, like a she sing it? And so I say, tell me down in the comment section. Now, people, me personally think she did a good job. She know every word, you know what I mean? She know how to grip the beat and everything in her own style. She did it though to me, you see me? So, I don't know still. And tell me down in the comment section what you think. Now she sing a next song, one of her other song. I don't know what she call it, but I want about the cologne. She sing it a couple times. So I got to show another one that's too. You see what I say? So take a look at this. Here goes.
Yeah. Shaniel Muir again. Top girl. Eh. What kind of cologne you have on? Listen to me. I like man who smell good. I not thought the one them a green and spray perfume pan them greenies. Chrissy. No, I like man who like beard. I like smell good and smell clean and be something. When I sex time, you understand? Be something going in the bedroom, but freshness. You get me? I like, man. Good smell good them. Yeah. So rest up. Yo. What kind of cologne you have on? Your lips taste like pina colada. Boy, come put it in passcode. Pussy no busy like a dung across road. Right now me pum jealous. Start me up quick and fast. Time to hot man now put on draws. Pum tight, papa fast. Fucking and no crime, them can't lock off dance. Sperms run up in a belly and one go fast start. Baby a band when they go part off. Body in a bed, me bad no ass clot. Ride off with that, hey. Put a keep on me neck right there so. Bust like pipe, baby, apply pressure. Down in a me belly, better say you find treasure, baby. I know be Nelly knocky, make it take up. So me love it when you rough it up and push it up and mama feel it. Tight pussy grip, cocky and hey, pussy boss, me still love you though. Start me up quick and fast. Blockhead. One go fast start. Baby upon when they go part off. Body in a bed, me bad no rascal. Ride off with that, hey. Your lips taste like pina colada. Boy, come put it in passcode. Pussy no busy like a dung across road. Yo.
So I definitely have a newfound respect for Shaneil Muir for singing that song, you know what I mean, for pay homage to Tanya Stevens. I rate that, I respect that, I love it. You see me, because she could have definitely gone the other way and say she not paying her homage, she not respect Tanya Stevens, or, you know what I mean, she just give off the impression say she not rate nobody but herself, but she's not like that. And I just have to give praises to her in that aspect. So I may answer people. So I just all leave it right there. So when you get in the comment section, tell me what you think about that, her performance of Tanya Stevens Boomwalk, and you know what I mean, just the fact that she sing Tanya Stevens song overall. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tanto Blacks. Yadi.